Is all protein are equal? What do you think, freaks? Actually, no. Not all the protein are equally created. Some forms of protein are good and some are better, such as whey are better than all other proteins. Whey protein contains an incredible range of essential amino acids, which are absorbed quickly. Numerous studies show that it can help you increase strength, gain muscle, and lose significant amounts of body fat. However, whey is more than just protein. It contains many other nutrients, some with potent biological effects. In fact, it's one of the best studied supplements in the world. Welcome you all to our new episode. As whey protein is important for fitness lovers, we will discuss in detail about what it is, how it works, and how it can help you achieve your fitness and health goals. You know, all that cannot be possible to cover in a single episode. That's why we will create a 5-part video in which we will tell you everything you need to know about whey protein. In today's edition, we will discuss detailed about what whey protein actually is. Those who are new in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it, as it will help you to remain connected with the freak and fits. Whey protein is a collection of proteins found in whey, a byproduct of cheese making. When a coagulant is added to milk, the curds and whey separate. Whey protein is the water-soluble part of milk. As a supplement, it's sold as dry powders with various levels of processing that affect how concentrated a source of protein they are and how fast they are absorbed. Whey protein is a mixture of proteins isolated from whey, which is the liquid part of milk that separates during cheese production. Milk actually contains two main types of protein, 80% casein and 20% whey. Whey is found in the watery portion of milk. When cheese is produced, the fatty parts of the milk coagulate and the whey is separated from it as a byproduct. If you have ever opened a yogurt container to see liquid floating on top, that is whey. Cheese makers used to discard it before they discovered its commercial value. After being separated during cheese production, whey goes through various processing steps to become what people generally recognize as whey protein, a powder that is added to shakes, meal replacements, and protein bars. Whey protein does not taste very good on its own, which is why it's usually flavored. Chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry flavored powders are popular. It's important to read the ingredient list, as some products may have unhealthy additives like refined sugar. Taking whey protein is a convenient way to add protein on top of your daily intake. This can be important for bodybuilders and gym enthusiasts, as well as people who need to lose weight or simply lacking protein in their diet. Most flavored whey proteins are also rather delicious and can be used to add an incredible taste to healthy recipes like smoothies. Whey is generally well tolerated, though people with lactose intolerance need to be careful, and some people may even be allergic to it. Whey protein is an exceptionally healthy way to add more protein to your diet. It's a quality protein source that is absorbed and utilized efficiently by the human body. This is particularly important for athletes, bodybuilders, or people who need to gain muscle mass and strength while losing fat. When it comes to muscle gain and fat loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Whey protein seems to be even better than other forms of quality protein. So viewers, I wish our video will make you understand all about what whey protein is. In our next video, we will discuss about types of whey protein, how many types of whey protein is available in the markets, and which one need to use and which not. That would be a very useful one for you all. Don't dare to miss that. Whoever is still not subscribed our channel, why not? Subscribe now and must click on the bell icon. Fit and Fit is signing off for today. Until then, stay fit. Bye bye.